What is up, guys? Starting today's video. As you can tell, the room's kind of messy in the back. We are arranging stuff right now, but it's alright. Right now it's kind of messy, but let me turn up my ISO real quick so y'all can see me. But starting today's video, I got something in the mail. I went through this website. I don't know, it's kind of sketch or not. They do use PayPal and stuff like that, so I was like ready to, like, if it doesn't come in, you know, get that claim so I get my money back and stuff like that. But I was looking up reviews. Everybody said it's pretty damn good. All the parts that they order there, they get it like in a couple days. My item was like in Illinois, so it was like really close, and got here in about 3 days. I ordered it Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and I got it today, which is Monday. I think if I ordered it on Wednesday, it would have been here on Saturday, but it's alright. I was in a rush, but I'm gonna show you guys right here what it is. It is, we gotta focus. It is a CrankShaft position sensor. I've been doing a lot of research. I asked a couple people on what they could think. This is my CrankShaft position sensor. Like I said, I've been doing a lot of research on what's going on with my car. Also, if you haven't watched my previous videos, the car does not have spark at the moment. Also, the fuel pump is kind of iffy. I'm just hoping that this works, because if I get spark, the car should turn on, because I am getting fuel at the moment, so it should be fine. So I'm gonna open this up for you guys and let's check it out, see how it looks from carparts.com. See if we could tell any difference from other auto parts store. They look pretty damn similar. So here it is. Show you guys real quick. So this is the sensor. It looks pretty good as far as I can tell. So I have no clue on how the sensor even works, to be honest, because literally it's just a plug, one end. Focus. So yeah, so this is like empty on this side. Then there's a plug right here, and I'm guessing there's like filler holes or something that tells you that the like how the sensor works. I'm not sure how the sensor works. It looks weird to me, but this is the CrankShaft position sensor. They said that if these go bad, these could prevent your car from sparking. So I'm gonna replace this. Got it for super cheap anyway, so hopefully this works. Also, when I get started on installing this, I'm gonna show you guys on where it's at and compare the OEM CrankShaft position. I can't even talk right now. Position sensor, and see if we can see any difference. This is supposed to be like an OE replacement, so we'll see how close that is. Alright, y'all, so I'm outside right now. Located the crank sensor. Zach just came over, so he's gonna give me some sockets to take these out. I don't think I have a big enough size for that. And then once I get that off, I could get that sensor off really fast and easy. Hope this works. I also gotta upload my original tune on the car. I was on the ECU. Then we'll go from there and see how it goes. Hopefully it works. Damn, my hands are hella black, but we got it out. It's like right here, right by the crank. It's like a 10 size bolt. It's hella spider webs, and you gotta remove the sensor. So here is the old one. Focus. Focus. There we go. So here's the old one. I'm gonna compare it to the new one. Damn, I just got bit on my thumb, dude. Look at all that blood. Damn. What the fuck? If I'm not mistaken. Open up the new one real quick. And here's a new one. Pretty much identical, which is crazy. because I was kind of sketchy of this website at first, but pretty much the same sensor. So we're gonna install this one. Then I gotta upload my old tune. Then we gotta see if I'm getting spark or not. Hopefully it's just this. If it's not this, then I gotta check the relay inside the cabin and see if that's getting power. But I'm gonna show you guys how to put this on. It's pretty easy. You just slip it through this hole by the crank. I think I could do this with one hand. And it just like clicks into place. Alright, I'm gonna use both hands. Hold on. Alright, so I just pushed it in. It should make a clicking noise when it's all the way in. Or you just look at it and see if it's hella close like this. And I'm gonna put the bolt back on. And that should be it for the crank sensor replacement. What's up, y'all? So I'm back inside right now, and as you can tell, I'm gonna give you guys the deets and updates on what's going on. So in the clips before, you see me working on the hatch, got a new sensor, got the new sensor in. We did try to start it, but fuel pump has died on me. It is completely dead. How do I know that it's dead? Well, it's not turning on, for one. Number two, I have a switch that goes to my fuel pump for it to constantly stay on, and yeah, it's dead. So I'm about to order a new fuel pump. Hopefully it comes in this week or next week, and then I'm gonna get that installed and see if the sensor did anything and see if it works. Sensor is pretty good, as in just like looking at it and feeling it and installing it on the car. Everything fits like it should, like an OEM replacement. Everything's solid. The only issues I had was pushing the clip into the sensor. It was super hard, but it's tight on now. Should be good to go. Just waiting on the new fuel pump to come in, and we'll make some progress from there. Also, I was talking to my homie Vonchai. Shout out to him for coming over, looking at my hatch. It was his first time looking at the hatch also, and we were just having a good time talking. And he was recommending me to get a relay for the fuel pump, for the switch and stuff like that, so it gets consistent power to it and some other stuff. So I plan on doing that also. I'm probably gonna have him do it for me because I never heard or done it before, so I'm gonna let him do it since he did it to his car. Then yeah, making some progress. Kind of sad that we didn't get to start today, because that's what I was really looking forward for today, but it's whatever. There's a bunch of people at my house right now, and yeah, I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. I was gonna continue this vlog, but I'm not sure. If you guys see it in the next clip, y'all see it. If y'all don't see it, then yeah, I'm gonna end it here. So I'm gonna just do my ending outro for you guys, just in case you guys don't see that clip. So hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys like the content I'm producing. I haven't been consistent this whole month. A lot of things been going on, and I really wanted to have the hatch working before I start making more videos. I hope you guys like the vlogs too. I plan on doing that a lot more since my car is down. At least I have something up for you guys to watch. Shout out to all the support. Shout out to all my friends. Hope you guys have a great day, and I am out. Peace.